question. Have you ever been in a situation where someone speaks to you in English and you understand them, but when you open your mouth to reply, nothing comes out?
Oh, yes, that feeling. Your brain just freezes completely.
Exactly. And the worst part is, you knew what you wanted to say. The words were right there.
But they just disappeared. It happens to so many English learners.
And if that sounds like you are in the right place today.
Because today we have a really fun and useful episode for you. Real daily English conversation practice. The kind of English you actually use every single day.
So stay with us. By the end of this episode, you are going to feel so much more confident speaking English. Welcome to Speak English Easily.
The podcast where you learn real English for real life.
I'm John.
And I'm Lisa, and we are so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're listening on your way to work, at home, or on a walk, this is your daily English conversation practice time.
That's right. No complicated grammar rules, no boring textbooks, just real English, real situations, and real confidence.
So let's get into today's episode. This one is all about daily conversation practice. The small talk, the greetings, the everyday moments that make up your English speaking life.
And trust me, once you get comfortable with these, speaking English easily becomes so much more natural. Okay, Lisa, let's set the scene for our listeners today.
Yes. So imagine this. It's a regular Tuesday morning. You walk into your office, you go to the kitchen to make some coffee, and you see a coworker you haven't spoken to in a few days.
Ah, that moment. You want to say something, you want to be friendly, but you're not sure exactly how to start.
Right. What do you say? How do you keep the conversation going naturally? This is real-life English, and it happens every single day.
So today, we're going to listen to Alex and Sarah. They work in the same office. It's Tuesday morning. They haven't seen each other since last Thursday because Sarah was traveling for work.
They meet in the office kitchen. Let's listen to how they start a natural, friendly conversation in English. Listen carefully to the words they use, especially how they greet each other, ask questions, and respond naturally.
Okay, here's Alex and Sarah.
Hey, Sarah. Oh, wow, you're back. How was the trip?
Alex, yes, I'm finally back. It was great, actually. Really busy, but great. We had meetings every single day, but the city was beautiful.
Oh, nice. Where did you go again? Was it Chicago?
Yes, Chicago. Have you ever been there?
No, never, but I've always wanted to go. Is it as cold as everyone says?
Yes, the wind is no joke. Even in October, I needed my heavy jacket. But honestly, the food there, oh my goodness.
Really? What did you eat?
Where do I even start? The deep dish pizza is absolutely amazing. I had it twice. And the breakfast places near the hotel were incredible too. Everything was so good.
Okay, now I'm hungry. I need to visit Chicago just for the food.
Seriously, you should go. You and your wife would love it. There's so much to do. The museums, the river, the shopping on Michigan Avenue.
That sounds perfect. Maybe next spring. I'll talk to Emma about it. She loves city trips.
Oh, she would love Chicago, definitely. So how was everything here while I was away? Did I miss anything exciting?
Thinking. Well, David got a new coffee machine for the kitchen. That's probably the biggest news.
Wait, seriously?
I'm completely serious. He spent like 20 minutes explaining all the different settings to us on Friday morning.
Oh no, that sounds exactly like something David would do.
It does, right? But honestly, the coffee is actually really good now, so no complaints from me.
Okay, fair enough. Maybe the upgrade was worth it. Anything else?
Oh, actually, yes. The Henderson project, the one you've been working on for months.
Yes, what about it?
The client called on Friday afternoon. They really liked the proposal you sent before you left. They want to move forward.
Wait, really? Oh, wow. Oh, that is such good news. I was so nervous about that proposal. I worked on it until midnight before I left.
I know, I remember. You looked exhausted that morning. But it clearly paid off. Well done, Sarah. Seriously.
Thank you, Alex. That means a lot. I need to call them today and set up a meeting.
Yeah, I think they're expecting your call. The manager, I think his name is Mr. Collins, he said he'd be available this week.
Perfect. I'll call him this afternoon. Okay, I feel so much better now. I was a little worried coming back after 5 days away, Like, did everything fall apart while I was gone?
Nope, everything is fine. Well, except for the old coffee machine, RIP.
Poor old coffee machine. It served us well.
It really did. Hey, do you want to grab lunch today? You can tell me more about Chicago, and I can tell you everything else you missed.
Yes, absolutely. I would love that. 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock works perfectly. Let's meet downstairs.
Great. Oh, and I want to try the new coffee machine before our meeting.
Obviously, that's the most important part of coming back to work.
You're right. Okay, I'll see you at 1.
See you then. Welcome back, Sarah.
Thanks, Alex. It's good to be back.
Oh, I really loved that conversation. It felt so natural.
Right? That's exactly how real daily English conversation sounds. Did you notice how relaxed Alex and Sarah were with each other?
Yes, and there were so many great phrases in there. Let's break some of them down for our listeners.
Okay, first one. Alex said, "You're back." This is such a natural thing to say when you see someone returning after time away. You don't need to say, "I see that you have returned." It's
No, nobody says that. Your back is short, warm, and friendly. You can use it when a friend comes back from a trip or even when a coworker returns after being sick.
exactly. For example, "Oh, you're back. How was your holiday?" Simple and natural.
Next one, Sarah said, "The wind is no joke." This is a really useful expression. It means something is very serious or very strong, not funny at all.
Right. No joke means this is real, this is serious. You can say the traffic this morning was no joke, or the exam was no joke. It was really difficult.
I love that one. Okay, another great phrase. Alex said, "It clearly paid off." This means the hard work gave a good result. The effort was worth it.
Yes, Sarah worked until midnight on her proposal and the client loved it, so her hard work paid off. You can use this anytime someone works hard and gets a good result.
Like, you studied every day for 2 weeks and you passed the test. It paid off.
Perfect example. Now, this next one is important for English conversation practice. When Sarah heard the good news, she said, "Oh, wow! Oh, that is such good news!"
Yes, reacting naturally is so important in English. You don't just say, "Okay," you react with feeling. "Oh, wow, that's amazing." Really? These small reactions make your English sound so much more natural.
Absolutely. In real-life English, people want to feel that you're listening and engaged. A good reaction does that perfectly.
And the last phrase I want to highlight, Alex said, "Well done, Sarah, seriously." Adding seriously at the end makes your compliment feel much more genuine and warm.
Yes, well done is good, but well done seriously? That feels real. That feels like you mean it. So remember, in your English speaking practice, don't be afraid to add those little words. They make a big difference.
Okay, now it is time to practice. This is the part of the show where you speak out loud with us. Don't be shy. Nobody is listening except you.
That's right. Speaking out loud is one of the best ways to learn English easily. So let's go. I'll say the phrase, and you repeat it.
Ready? Here we go.
You're back.
Good. Nice and natural. Next one.
How was the trip?
Great. Now try this one.
It was really busy, but great.
Perfect. Let's keep going.
I've always wanted to go there.
Excellent. You're doing so well.
The wind is no joke.
I love that one. Okay, next.
That sounds perfect.
Good. Try this longer one now.
I was so nervous about that proposal, but it clearly paid off.
Wonderful. Keep going.
Well done. Seriously.
Beautiful. Almost there.
I would love that. 1 o'clock works perfectly.
Amazing. Last one.
It's good to be back.
Fantastic! You just practiced 10 real English phrases. That is real English conversation practice right there. Be proud of yourself.
Okay, now we have a little speaking challenge for you. This is where you become Alex or Sarah.
We love this part. We give you a situation, you think of what to say, and then John will give you a model answer. Ready?
Challenge 1. Your coworker just came back from a business trip. You see them in the hallway. What do you say? You could say, "Hey, you're back. How was the trip? Did everything go well?"
Perfect. Simple, warm, and natural. Okay, challenge 2.
Your friend tells you they worked really hard for a job interview and they got the job. What do you say? You could say, "Oh, wow, that's amazing. All that preparation really paid off. Well done, seriously."
Yes, I love that. Okay, one more. Challenge 3.
A new coworker asks if you've ever visited another city in your country. You haven't, but you want to go. What do you say? You could say, "No, I've never been there, but I've always wanted to go. I've heard it's beautiful."
These are such useful, real-life English phrases, and the more you practice them, the more naturally they'll come out when you really need them.
That's exactly how you learn to speak English easily, one small challenge at a time.
Before we go, I want to say something to you directly.
Oh, I think I know what's coming.
You showed up today. You listened, you repeated, you tried the challenge. That is not nothing. That is everything.
Seriously, so many people want to speak English confidently, but they never practice. You practiced today. That makes you different.
And I know some days it feels slow. You think, why is this taking so long? Why can't I just speak fluently already?
But language learning is like building a house. You don't see the full house on day 1, but every day you practice, you're laying another brick.
And one day you'll look up and the house is there. Your English will be there. Natural, confident, easy.
So keep going. Keep doing your daily English conversation practice. Keep listening to real English. Keep speaking out loud, even when it feels uncomfortable.
Because every single time you practice, you are getting better, even when you don't feel it.
We believe in you.
Okay, that's a wrap on today's episode of Speak English Easily.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. It genuinely means a lot.
If today's episode helped you, please subscribe to Speak English Easily. We post new English conversation practice episodes every week.
And leave us a comment. Tell us which phrase from today's conversation was your favorite. Or write your answer to one of the speaking challenges. We read every single one.
And if you have a friend who is also trying to learn English easily, share this episode with them. Practice together. It's so much more fun.
Until next time, keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember,
Speaking English easily is not a dream. It's just a habit.
see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.